The hybrid combines two drive units and their benefits. The combustion engines from Volkswagen are economical and efficient. In some situations, though, when starting and in stop-and-go city traffic, for example, an electric motor is even more advantageous because it does not consume any fuel. Volkswagen therefore combines two drive units, a modern TSI and a powerful electric motor. It is so compact that it can easily fit in the car between the TSI and the DSG gearbox. In this hybrid drive, the engine and motor sometimes work individually and sometimes together. For example, when accelerating. Here, the electric motor supports the TSI, and on suitable legs of a route, the vehicle can run by the electric motor only. Naturally, the electric motor needs electricity. It gets this from a battery, which is located under the car. This does not reduce the car's interior space. With clever management, the hybrid can even recover energy. During braking, its electric motor acts as a generator and produces electricity which charges the battery. This is known as regenerative braking, and it makes the hybrid car very energy efficient, especially in urban areas and in heavy traffic. Some hybrid cars are plug-ins because they have a special inlet for charging. The battery can be recharged from a mains outlet. As a petrol-powered car and an electric car in one, these Volkswagen plug-in hybrids achieve ranges up to 1,000 kilometers.